Right, it's the 3rd of February 2017. Got my old mate Mick the Van Mills here for the Archie. And today they've broadcast npower are putting the electric up 15%. There's a gas going up, Mick?
Yeah, gas, electric, 15%.
Gas, electric. I have not. Yeah. I have
absolutely scandalous. His wages don't go up, and that's going up 15%. Yeah. I can't believe it. Everybody ought to just get shut of them. Well, I mean, but if people keep paying it, they'll put it up. They'll keep putting it up. Stop! I kick them straight out.
What they should do, because everybody should just burn the electric all the time. 3 months on top, then when bill comes, said we're not paying it.
Well, that's right.
What are they going to do to everybody then? And with gas, you know what? If we don't burn gas, they can't store that. Well, they can. They can only store so much. They can't turn the off with gas. But it's an absolute rip-off.
Rip-off.
Even council taxes.
Everybody ought to go. Leave them.
Council taxes are up 5%. I can't leave bloody Rotherham, can I?
No, but I can leave that.
That's 5%. That.
I can leave npower.
15% npower. I don't know what gas has gone up. I've not heard officially.
Well, gas and electric 50%.
Petrol's going up every day. Nobody's saying how oil's
$50 a barrel or whatever it is. Yeah. Petrol's going up, creeping up, creeping up every day.
Yeah.
That's going up.
Everything's going up both ways.
I'll tell you what, excuse will be EU. Because we're coming out of EU, Brexit, that's just an excuse.
Right, well,
that's an excuse that to put it up.
The deal's that without coming out, that have stopped and they said it's gone up.
That's just an excuse.
It's a good excuse that we can blame. We can blame it on all them who voted
that npower absolutely bent as a butcher's up.
Well, I'm npower, but I'm going to take Mick's advice.
We're out.
I'm changing.
And everybody else ought to change.
Everybody with npower should change.
Everybody should. And if you don't, you're a mug.
Are they with npower?
No.
Good lad, he's not with npower.
I'm not with them stinking robbing rats. Good and lad. Everybody who's with him should get out.
Here he is, they don't?
Yes.
Good
Thank you.
Say all right to Archie, been worried about it.
See you, Archie.